Hey guys, so I'm going to be doing my most requested video today. It's an Ariana Grande hairstyle tutorial. If you guys are interested on how to get this look, or at least how I do it, then keep on watching. Okay guys, hi. Hey, what's up? I'm doing an Ariana Grande hair tutorial because...
Oh my god, why do you want to be her so bad?
People have compared me to Ariana Grande since I was a teenager. We're inspired by people that slightly resemble us sometimes when it comes to trying clothes and trying hairstyles and trying makeup that complements our faces and our bodies. I've always liked my hair half up and half down because my hair down just doesn't work most of the time, as you can tell. Without further ado, let's deep dive right in. Let's go from stressed to blessed, shall we, ladies? Can I get an amen?
Hey, man!
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah, I killed that.
All right, so the first thing that we're gonna do is use a brush to brush our hair, which I already did off camera because if you saw it beforehand, that would have been kind of embarrassing. The first thing that I'm gonna do is use this straightening iron. If you're starting with wet hair, which obviously I'm not, I'm on like 2-day hair. This brand Sultra has a hairbrush that is like a drying hairbrush. I just tried it for the first time the other week and I love it. It's basically just brushing your hair and blowing it dry simultaneously. When I'm done, I'll go over it with the Sultra hair straightener. Because I have a lot of hair, I like to do this in sections. I'm just gonna go and carefully straighten through all of my hair on each side. Also, if you have extensions, make sure you're getting as close to the weft as possible so that you're not left with any kinks at the base. Alright, so I just finished the bottom left side and the difference between this and this is just unreal. This looks so much healthier and this looks like I needed a shower 3 weeks ago. We are going to go and tackle this top layer. So this is the finished straightened hair. Now we're gonna do Ariana's signature half up and half down. The way that I usually wear it is leaving these two pieces down to frame my face. For my hair specifically, I part it right where it lays the flattest. I don't make like a clean cut line or anything. I kind of just grab where it feels like half of my hair. Most important thing, don't brush back, brush up, because you want to make sure that the ponytail is as high as possible. It kind of lifts your face. Also make sure that you're brushing in the back. I like to use just a normal black hair tie because it's a little bit thicker and it actually makes it easier when you wrap the hair around it. I just take a little bit of the right side of the ponytail and just wrap it around. So we're gonna secure that with 2 bobby pins. And in order to lock it in place, you just want to crisscross those bobby pins over each other. So after we secure this with bobby pins, I'm just going to take this Kevin Murphy Session Spray Flex, a light flexible finishing hairspray. We're gonna go and lightly just spray around. And this just basically keeps it in place and does not move it the entire day. You can also do that a little bit just around the crown of your head as well. Since I do have the cowlick and I have a lot of flyaways, I like to use the Garnier Style Pure Clean Finishing Paste. Just take literally a teeny bit and I'll just put that by the part of my hair to make sure that everything stays down. And then you can also do that by your ear too if you have any loose hairs around there. Super easy, 5-minute look. It really doesn't take a while, especially if you already have straight hair. This is honestly one of my go-to hairstyles because not only is it super fast and easy, but it's also super cute and flattering in photos. This is the finished look. I'm gonna stand up so that you guys can see. Hair's too long to really fit the full frame, but you get the point. If you have any more Ariana Grande tutorial requests, leave them below. If you have any video requests in general, please leave them in a comment below as well. I'm gonna link all the products in the description below as I mentioned. And thank you guys 1,000,001 for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you! Do I have pearly whites? I just got my teeth cleaned. I wanna eat pasta.